Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Mr. Saucedo's YouTube videos. Today, we are going to be talking a little bit about our Google Classroom tip number 8, which is going to be all about differentiating for students. So, one of the interesting things and one of the best features, I think, of Google Classroom is that you're able to, instead of assigning a assignment or a question or a quiz or whatever you want to assign to the entire class, you can instead assign it to only certain students. So if students need some differentiation that is personalized like this, you're able to do that. So let's say I'm making an assignment and I'm going to call this vocabulary practice. And I'll add a link. I'll just make Quizlet. Um, link. So notice that by default, it is posting it to the class that you're in, and it says all students. But you can unselect all students, and instead, in this case, I only have one student, and it's me in this class. But you can just select that single student, and it will send it to only them instead of the entire class. Now, this only, again, really makes sense if you have multiple students in your period, but again, you can differentiate by just selecting a particular series of students. So you can do this with, for example, exams. If you have different versions of an exam, you can select a certain version and send that to only particular students. And then you can push out a different series of tasks or a different series of, versions of tests to different students. And it's up to you kind of how you differentiate in that way. But that's it for teacher tip number 8. If you have any questions, let me know.